What's up, you guys? Your boy Navari Carter, multi-award-winning graphic designer and brand strategist. And today I'm back again with another video. But this one's going to do something a little different today, alright? We're actually going to go and show you behind the scenes of what it's like for me to go through my process from brand strategy to an actual brand identity design or web design project. This is for a recent client I recently had. So I'm going to show you the ins and outs of my process to actually go from concept to creation, from discovery call to problem solving, and all the in-betweens. All right, so this is something you definitely don't want to miss. And further ado, let's drop that intro. All right, so let's hop into it. So for this particular project, I had a client recently who's a rapper musician locally in the area. I reside in Maryland. So pretty much the client came to me and it was trying to figure out to have like a website or a platform or something on the web to show and make a more intuitive process for them to showcase their music, their catalog, and for an easy way for the audience and the fans to come and stream their music without just using a Linktree site with a bunch of different options for them to do. So I sat down with the client and we went over and discussed first and foremost, why they felt they needed this. And so of course that was the root cause of the problem that they knew already up front. They wanted a more intuitive process for their fans to access their music since it's on all streaming platforms. So you guys know for sure everybody has their own preference, in particular what music platform they like to stream music from. It could be Spotify, it could be Tidal, it could be SoundCloud, it could be YouTube, or it could even be Apple Music. So everybody has a different preference, so they're on all of them. So of course you got multiple catalogs of music and records and EPs and albums or mixtapes or whatnot. You want to make this a more simplified process if somebody wants to listen to one particular song or more. So the best option we finalized on for this client was to create a landing page, a continuous scroll landing page that was mobile friendly. We're going to run you through that process right quick. So let's check this out right quick. I'll show you the design process afterwards, all right? Check this out.
Rough sketches. So I grabbed my pen and my pad, and the first thing what I'm doing is I'm going to draw a quick rectangular layout for the site's landing page. And my whole thought process through this right now is the user experience. So I'm trying to think of what I want the user to come on the site and experience first, what information I want them to see first, second, third, and so on and so forth, and what behavior I want them to do. So I went ahead and created a hero image with a header at the top. I drew a few boxes out that's going to be for the logos for each streaming platform that the client has his music on. And from here I wanted to actually break it out into grids, and this is something I wanted to keep in mind as I'm sketching it out, of a grid that's always divisible by 2 or 3, just so that when the site is responsive from landing page to mobile, it will be divided evenly on both versions of the site. Well, these 2 rows of text boxes and information under is going to be like the single cover art, and then like a little small brief description with a link to the user to listen to him. And so next under that, I came down and I'm like, what should I do next? So the client has an e-commerce page as well for where they're gonna be selling their merch. So here's a quick logo of the brand right there, of the merch, and a quick call to action and a brief description so that the user can click on that and easily go to the online store. So under, I want to give the user another option for the user to actually view the songs listed with the exact platform that is streaming on, so that the client can actually click on Audio Mac, Apple Music, Spotify, whichever one in particular they want to listen to the song on. Call to action at the bottom. That's it. Step 2 is the wireframe. So first thing I did is went into Adobe XD and took that rough sketch and pretty much laid it out with a cleaner design in Adobe XD for the wireframe of the site, so you can see a little bit better in detail of where text is going to go, where buttons are going to go, where images are going to go on the site layout. Let me zoom in a little bit more. And so the square on the page at the bottom, you know, we have our headers, our call to actions, our sections where we're going to actually have the platforms for streaming that they can click on by name for each individual single, to make it easier for fans to come on the site and, you know, choose what streaming platform they want to listen to the music on. So you scroll back up, we have a button there for a section to take you to the e-commerce page where we're selling the merch. And this is an extension of what it would look like on the site in a sense. Just a coming soon page for now, until the client's ready to move forward with that. And that home button on that page will take you right back. And here we have the final result of the website. So here's the client site in its entirety. First come in there for the hero image, we got a video that's on loop of the client in the studio recording his masterpieces. And that's going to continue with scroll loop, you know, through the site. And we only made it to show and display on the desktop version, not the tablet and mobile version, of course, to make it easier to to load up. But as you scroll down the page, you can see the catalog and there's a button to listen to take you to the streaming platform for each individual record. You slide down, we got the other section showing the wireframe there to the e-commerce store. We got the streaming now. We got the mailing list at the bottom for people to sign up for the newsletter. You gotta add the top button, scroll back up to the top, and that's it.
Alright, so there you have it. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop it in the description below. Go ahead and like this video, and show me some love too. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, whatever platform you're watching this video on. Is Nabari22, as I'm gonna be dropping constant content for you guys, more so about the business of design, branding, and design in general. So if you want to see more, let me know. I'm here to help you. I'm here for you guys. And remember, I'm doing this because this is information I wish somebody would have showed me or told me. So I'm doing it for y'all, all right? And so remember, if it's not simple, it's not intuitive, all right? And until next time, I'm out.